Today is, anong araw ngayon? Wednesday? Ash Wednesday, 2011. Just finished, having, merienda.
Grabe naman. Ano ba naman yan, Anton? Wala na bang katapos ang video yan?
Galing kasi kami ng Tupaw. May bago kami yung friend eh. Gusto niyo siya makilala? Papakilala ko sa inyo. Papakilala ka? Ano? Espada pa yan, no? Magiging takto yun. Kaso matagal. It takes, at least 30 minutes. Yung mga doggies, ayun. Teddy, Hachi. Kumain na ba kayo? Teddy, Hachi. Teddy, Hachi. Kumain na ba kayo? Kumain na ba kayo? Hindi nakakaintindi ng English eh. Sila Gab lang. Kasi sila Gab nag-aaral sa international school. Dayan, how's your day at school? Huh? What? What did you do at school? What happened at school? Did you, Did you raise your hand?
Yes.
So what did the answer ask you? What's the question of the teacher?
I don't know.
What? Tell us.
I don't know.
Teddy. 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 Ayan yung niya. Pinapagawa niya sa akin. Teddy. 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 May mga brothers pa yan. Nasa loob ng CR. Yan, brothers. Baby brother. Choo!
Dito maiyan.
Choo!
Dito maiyan.
Ganun talaga. Di ba ikaw din? What's up, Gab? What happened at school? Huh?
I raise my hands always.
Really? Is your answer always right?
Yes.
Most of the time? So, tell us a story. What happened? Huh? Gab? Hey! Tell mommy you want a new bike. Dali. Tell mommy you want a new bike. Tell her. Dali. Yan na. Yan na. Di ba yung mga your friends all of them have bikes? You also do, but that's too big for you, right? Right? So what color do you want for the bike?
All of the color.
All? Yan dyan. Kasama namin dito. Sipag mo.
No.
All around yan. La bandera. Cocinera. Manicurista. Pasahista. Lahat. Dalawa yan eh. Ito pa isa. Yan pa isa oh. Ay! Diyan. What? Leanne, what do you want? Leanne. What?
Anak, kausapin nyo nga daddy nyo. Walang makakausap eh. Sige na.
What, Leanne?
Oo naman eh.
Leanne. Do you like your toy? Huh?
Kawawa naman ang daddy nyo, anak. Sige na, please na. Kasi mabaliw.
Ayun, sana si Brooke Shield. Hindi ko nakikita yun, ha? Yun si Brooke Shield. Brooke Shield! Eh, kasi may asong gala eh. Na hindi naman niya ka-breed. Kaya, kinulong ko muna. Baka malahian. Brooke Shield! Labas, dali, labas. Oh. Ano ba yan? May pagkain ba sa baba? Let's go. Yung bike ko, ayan. DH Asonic with matching Manitou forks.
Ay, andyan si Lola.
Bakit saan galing?
Andyan si Lola. Andyan si Lola. Andyan si Lola.
What?
There is Lola.
Where? Oh, si Lola. Mommy. Mother-in-law. My sweet mother-in-law. I think she just took a walk for exercise. Mami, saan po kayo galing?